Hello and welcome to SolidCAM What's New section. I'm Florin Eugene and I will present you in this recording the new channel definition in Machine ID Editor, VMID as we call it. So we have a new definition because in the past on standard machines the channel was defined automatically by the turret. So we have a turret, we have a channel. We have two turrets, we have two channels. But when we start the development of complex mill-turn machines and we move to the next stage now, we develop the Swiss type machines, we see that this rule is no longer respected. We can define channel not only by a turret, and we can define it by a table. So we have today in VMID a new option called channels, and we can add any number of channels that we need in a machine, and for each channels we assign sub-machines. For example, now in channel 1 only one sub-machine is assigned, sub-machine 1, turret 1, table 1, and in channel 2 I have 3 sub-machines. Let's see why. I have an example here of a machine. It's a complex machine with a rotary and linear turret combinations, 2 spindles, main and sub-spindle, a rotary turret, also a rotary turret here with only milling tools, 12 stations around, and the third turret is a linear type with 5 stations for external tools and 9 stations for internal tools or drills. So this machine, as the manufacturer has defined the machine, the channel is defined by table and not by turrets. In the previous versions of SolidCAM we have 3 turrets here, we will get automatically 3 channels. No longer. Today we define the channels as we need. So in this machine I will need a channel on main spindle, rotary turret with main spindle, turret 1, table 1, and the second channel is on back spindle. Back spindle can work with rotary turret, back spindle can work with linear turret, and back spindle can work with third turret, also rotary, with milling tools. We only need 2 channels and not 3. So the new definition will allow us to define correctly the machine. In channel 1 I add sub-machine turret 1, table 1. In the second channel we have sub-machine turret 2, table 2, turret 3, table 2, and turret 1, table 2. So you can see 3 sub-machines with table 2 on channel number 2, and channel 1 only 1 on table 1. Channels defined also by tables today. That's a new important improvement in order to be able to define correctly a machine and to get the synchronization interface. We don't get here any unneeded channel. We have only the channels that we define, and we can synchronize correctly the operations. Thank you for browsing, for visiting and watching SolidCAM What's New section. Goodbye.